Like Kudu back in the arena, and he's taking on an opponent on the charging bull tactics. I'm Antonio Kileke, and this will be an awesome bout to watch. First, we get to witness the musicians and the drummers taking us around this arena, and what they are doing is more like praise chants and the battle cry simultaneously, summoning the fighters into the circuit. Remember, each top class warrior has a unique sound comprising of those beating drums. The drums on from the shoulder of the drummers, the big one is called the kalangu, and the handheld smaller drums are called kutungu. As they take their seats, preparing everyone for a showdown. Alaye Kudu, remember him viciously, the fighter who takes no for an answer and wins all his matches, up against Autan Chindo, pounding aggressively. He's a fighter who knows how to defend. It's like a superpower for him. He put up that his left hand up, and no matter how many punches you throw at him, trust me, you're wasting your time. Driving overhand there from Autan Chindo. Seeing him trying to stop Alaye Kudu in his tracks. Alaye Kudu, the preference of him, let him try this again, and the charging boot tactics takes place again. Tergua trusting upper hands and overhands, Alaye Kudu, stop, drives a right hook in, follows through with another overhand, follows with another one, and they both go at it. Who's going to go down first? We keep waiting to see. Nobody yet. He strikes his own blow on Alaye. Alaye strikes a right overhand again. He dodges quickly, strikes a right hook and slams his opponent down. Tergua Chindo is in disbelief. I mean, no shocker there. You need to understand who this fighter Alaye Kudu is. Watch that replay. Tergua thinking he had it under control, but Alaye, just the way he stepped back is the same way he swept that blow just in time. I like to call that blow just in time blow. And taking out his opponent effortlessly, even though he looks more muscular, packing on more meat. So Alaye Kudu, don't mess with this fighter, you see, of the house of Kudu. He has a very well-known rivalry. If you watch our previous matches, you've seen against Shamsu Gidiwe. I see top-class warriors in the circuit today. This promises to be more interesting episodes. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on social medias, hit the bell notification icon. We, Peace of Dambe Warriors.